The purpose of today's event is there's a local school that is in desperate need of a garden renovation. It's been looking a little bit tatty for a few years.
So we wanted to bring it back to the forefront, integrate it into our curriculum, and therefore Mr Maddie, our caretaker, wanted to be able to get it back up and running, and along with Redrow and TNC Landscaping's help, we've been able to do that.
So now that we've got this area, the children will be doing pond dipping. Also, we're going to make plaques to show what wildlife is in there.
We've got a special guest that'll be coming to open the garden, CBeebies character Mr Bloom. He'll be coming to do the big launch. We've also got local dignitaries that'll be there as well, along with obviously the school kids and the head teacher.
Hello Tiddlers! Oh, it's nice to see you. Come on, I said hello Tiddlers! Been invited down here today to celebrate the wonderful opening of this wildlife sanctuary. It's an oasis for wildlife. We've got hedgehog houses, bird houses, frogs now in the pond, newts, and we've also got great learning facilities for outdoor learning. We've got the wigwams there where the kids can go in. Fire pit, so kids can not only learn in the classroom but learn in the outdoors and bring the outdoors inside and the indoors outside. And you can do all the learning that you want outside.
I've enjoyed most about today is looking at the garden. I'm most looking forward to being around the campfire and doing some pond dipping.
What we've created at the school today is a fantastic garden. Looking at how it was previous before we got there to how it is now, it's a complete transformation. It really is an asset to Redrow but also to the local community and the school.
Seeing the area as it is now in its finished state, I'm ecstatic. I really am. I never imagined it would be as good as this.
Today's event has been absolutely fantastic, beyond all of our expectations. We really have to thank the generosity from Redrow and TNC Landscaping. The children have absolutely loved it. It'll be a memorable moment in the school's history forevermore, really.
We love our garden!